Now, I know a lot of people don't like the way that Facebook and Twitter have changed their feeds and now they feel like they can never find anything. And that's why today I'm going to help you get your feed back to chronological order. So let's start with Facebook. To get your feed back to chronological order on Facebook, you're simply going to go to your homepage. Next to the News Feed tab in the left-hand column, you're going to click the three dots. When you click the three dots, you'll see three options. Top stories, which is what everybody's is set to automatically. Most recent, which is what makes your feed chronological, or edit preferences. But today we're going to be clicking most recent, and that's going to change our feed to chronological order. Now, to do the same on Twitter, you're just going to go to your Twitter homepage and you'll see these three stars here on the right-hand side. You click those stars and you can select See Latest Tweets instead. And that is how you get both your Facebook and your Twitter feeds back to chronological order.